Hi, today is gonna be all about facial expressions and by exercising various facial expressions, how you can do facial massage and a vibrating machine that deals with your facial as well as head massage. So I know every time I begin the video by bugging you, but this time I thought of coming to the point straight away. Press it towards the right hand side, that it will be mild. Okay. See. Okay, one caution rule: do it yourself only when you're confident of doing it yourself right. Otherwise, do not give it a shot. You are not doing anything, you can go for creative stuff like puzzle games and all, it's okay, but you can't experiment with your skin. Okay, see, 3 fingers, you put it in, your thumb and your little finger are free to, have a grip so that there's no wrong slip. You can't afford a wrong slip. You can go like from the very bottom of your neck to, you can go vertically upwards. Keep the little finger and thumb away from your ear zone. Okay, keep it away. I'll come to that later. How do you go about it? Like this. From front you can massage yourself like this. See my fingers. My fingers are just above the eyebrows. Forehead is a part of facial structure, but still you can slightly for relaxation come to here. You're not going to touch the eyebrow, because one wrong slip and your eyeballs can be damaged for life. You have no idea what effect vibration can have. Do not take chances. Ear zone, okay, again sensitive nerves, you have to stay 1 to 2 inches away. It's a C, okay, and then you go slowly, make a C. Okay, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Like this, and then like this. Okay, this is it about it. The main thing is salons also provide you with they use vibration machines on your like face and all, also for relaxation. They say it's good for like muscle tissues and all. See, first of all, you are not using vibrator on your own at your home, not at all. When it comes to salon, they are professional. I don't want to comment on them, okay, but I personally will keep a vibrating machine away from my skin. I'll keep it away, because okay, I mean, go the natural way. You want your jaws and facial muscles to be well exercised. There's nothing wrong in it. Like eat a lot of chewing gums and make faces. Do anything, or you can also give 5 to 10 minutes, like when you're blabbering, you just make be very expressive, like you say, I don't like this, I don't like, you say, I don't like this, I don't like that, like A B C D E F G H I, A to Z also. You can go for 1 2 3 400. No, 1 2 300 is not A to Z is not. You can go for that, or go the natural way. When it comes to your face, do not experiment. Okay, I'm missing anything? Yeah, last but not least, green babies, adopt them, stay healthy, relax, bye, and don't have to waste a lot of money on salon, and then you can do it yourself, but right. If you cannot do it right, please do not do it. Bye bye.